Back speaking to the medical research team at the Spectrum Community Centre, Karen Simerson. She was the first in the world to trial AstraZeneca COVID-19's antibody treatment.
Quite shocked. I've had people in Australia message to say, wow, you're the first person. It's a bit surreal.
The ICU nurse has seen firsthand the effects the virus has on people she cares for.
It's been hard, really hard, because they're patients that are really sick. And I've 12 years of ICU experience. I don't think I've ever looked after patients that are as sick as that. And my big thing about becoming a nurse was I wanted to make a difference. So if this makes a difference, then brilliant.
This is absolutely critical. This is a first in the world infusion that's been given in Wakefield, in Yorkshire, to help our population, and we're contributing to the international effort to hopefully get us back to normality.
In the room next door, trainee nurse Megan Clark is being monitored after having her 2 antibody injections.
Seeing the physical, emotional and the mental toll it's had on staff, patients and relatives. So for us, a vaccination, I'm more than happy to take part.
The trial, which is in its last phase, aims to evaluate the safety and effectiveness of the man-made protein, which acts like natural human ones.
This trial is massive. I mean, we've all had the great boost over the last week or so of the effectiveness of the vaccine trials. The reality, though, is that not everybody who has a COVID vaccine will mount an antibody response.
Antibodies, they are put into the body and provide immunity immediately, hopefully something that will last for between 6 and 12 months. Whereas a vaccine relies on the body's own immune system to produce a response. So this antibody is going to be complementary to all the vaccine studies for those people who have immune systems that don't work properly, those who have had cancer treatments, those kind of things.
The Wakefield Centre is one of 100 sites worldwide, helping to recruit 5,000 volunteers.
We're particularly interested in frontline workers, elderly people, particularly elderly because they're the type who might not mount an antibody response to the vaccine, and they're obviously some of the most vulnerable.
The team say they are optimistic about the treatment and that results will be produced in the next 6 to 12 months. Sarah Clark, ITV News, Wakefield.